Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actress Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Sridevi's top 5 waterfall scenes. Sridevi is an Indian actress who worked in over 300 films in her film career. She has taken risks in doing waterfall scenes, and here are the list of top 5 waterfall scenes she has done in her films. At number 5, Kshanam. These waterfall scenes of Sri Devi was picturized for the song sequence for the film Kshanam. It was directed by Ram Gopal Verma. Sri Devi was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer S. Gopal Reddy. Number 4, Ranuva Veeran. These waterfall scenes of Sri Devi was picturized for the film Ranuva Veeran. It is a 1981 Tamil film directed by S.P. Muthuraman. Sri Devi was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Babu. Sri Devi's performance was appreciated by both critics and audience. Sri Devi was considered as the lady superstar of Indian cinema. Number 3, Vetagadu. These waterfall scenes of Sri Devi was picturized for the song sequence for the film Vetagadu. It is a 1979 Telugu film directed by K. Raghavendra Rao. Sri Devi was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer K. S. Prakash. Sri Devi was done a very glamorous role in the film. At number 2, Waqt Ki Awaaz. These waterfall scenes of Sri Devi was picturized for the film Waqt Ki Awaaz. It is a 1988 Hindi film directed by K. Bapaya. Sri Devi was beautifully and aesthetically picturized by the cinematographer A. Venkat. Sri Devi has done a very glamorous role in the film, and her performance was appreciated by both critics and audience. At number 1, Kalyana Raman. These waterfall scenes of Sri Devi was picturized for the song sequence for the film Kalyana Raman. It is a 1979 Tamil film directed by G. N. Rangaraju. Sri Devi was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer N. K. Vishwanath. Sri Devi's performance was appreciated by both critics and audience. Sri Devi played a village girl in the film. This video is dedicated to Sri Devi, the glamorous actress of Indian cinema. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to Indian Actress Paradise. Thank you once again from Indian Actress Paradise.